The Ruckus 21 is a purpose-built everyday backpack for riders. It's a fantastic fusion of what you need every day in terms of organization, storage, and convenience in a daily use scenario and the comfort and functional aspects that you need on a motorcycle. The Ruckus 21 has a spacious 16.5-liter primary compartment which has a waterproof inner liner and roll-top closure to offer durable weather protection. With most backpacks, this type of compartment would be just one large sack with no organization. But we have actually designed this removable laptop and tablet sleeve to significantly improve how you carry your most valuable gear. It's large enough to hold a 16-inch Mac with a tablet and has Velcro tabs to help keep them in place. This whole organizer can be attached onto the inner liner of the main waterproof compartment, which then leaves you with room for additional gear to be added in here too. The Ruckus also comes with a waterproof cover that is stored away in its own dedicated pocket. It's easy to use when you want more comprehensive weather protection for the whole backpack. You can really pack into the Ruckus 21. The front pouch has a zippered mesh pocket, a flat pocket, and a key holder. You have a fleece-lined pocket towards the top of the bag and another weatherproof zippered pocket that is accessible vertically. The right side pocket has an additional inner zippered space for smaller items, and the side pocket on the left can actually be expanded to store something larger like an umbrella or a small mobile tripod. The external EBC on the backpack makes it easy to store a pair of gloves or rain gear without occupying space inside the bag. We've also included an external zero tray sleeve where you can stash empty wrappers or things that you should carry with you until you can dispose of them at the right place. Traditional backpack straps keep the majority of the weight on your shoulders, which means you feel and lift the entire weight every time you move on your motorcycle. This is extremely tiring, especially on longer rides. The dash harness on the Ruckus 21, when used correctly, moves a significant amount of this weight away from your shoulders and toward your chest in order to reduce fatigue. In fact, there are three elements that work together in this comprehensive system. The height adjustable dash harness can be dialed in as per what is best suited to your torso. The swivel sternum buckle rotates as you move on the bike and minimizes movement of the straps or the bag itself. And the elastic ASM system that we've built into the base of each side of the harness absorbs a notable amount of impact that you feel when you're riding through bumps and undulations. We've also integrated a raised 3D mesh design into the underside of the harness straps as well as the back of the bag to allow for more airflow. All of these elements come together to create a carrying experience that is very different from traditional backpacks and genuinely well matched to what you need on a motorcycle. The Ruckus 21 is ready for hydration duties too. You can use a regular rectangular bladder of up to 2 liters. The dedicated mounting point sits outside the inner waterproof liner to keep this away from whatever is inside the main pouch. You have a separate zippered access and routing to bring the pipe to your preferred position on either the right or left side of the harness. It's an effective and efficient way to carry the water you need on any kind of ride. With the Ruckus 21, we are confident we have set a new benchmark for rider-first backpacks that deliver genuine functionality and performance. We can't wait for more of you to experience the Ruckus 21 firsthand. Thanks for watching.